If you use GraphPad Prism, there's a high chance you've already made this mistake, and reviewers spot it immediately. This video is the first episode of a new series, Common Mistakes That Get Scientific Papers Rejected. And today, we're starting with one of the most common and most misunderstood ones, using ECM instead of ST in your graphs. At first glance, this looks perfectly fine. Clean bars, small error bars, nice and precise. But to a reviewer, this is often a red flag. The mistake is simple, presenting your data as mean plus minus SEM. SEM, the standard error of the mean, makes variability look much smaller than it actually is. So visually, your data looks tighter, cleaner, and sometimes better than it really is. Here's the key point. SEM is not a measure of biological variability. SEM only tells you how precisely you've estimated the. Reviewers care about variability. They want to see how spread out your biological data really is. Using ECM can hide noisy data, make groups look artificially similar, and give a misleading impression of robustness. That's why many journals now explicitly ask for standard deviation or individual data point. SEM does not describe your data, it describes how well you estimated the mean. Let me show you why this matters. This is the same dataset, mean plus minus SEM, mean plus minus ST, and dot plot with individual values. Nothing about the data changed, only the way it's displayed, and yet the scientific interpretation feels completely different. Now, this is important. SEM is not evil. SEM can be acceptable when you're comparing precision of the mean in very large sample sizes or in specific modeling contexts. But in most biological experiments, cell lines, animals, patient samples, SEM is usually the wrong choice. In GraphPad Prism, this is incredibly easy to fix. You just double click on a graph, go to Appearance, and then change the entire dataset from mean plus ECM to mean plus ST. Then you click OK, Apply, and there you have it. If this video was useful, subscribe. This series is going to save you time, revisions, and frustration. And tell me in the comments, have you ever received a reviewer comment about ECM or error bar?